Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to delete a language you are learning in Duolingo. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Duolingo app. So here it is. Now click on this icon on the top left corner. Now since I only have one language, I cannot delete this. Simply click on this plus icon. You can choose any other language you want to learn and simply click on continue. You need to complete the first chapter for this. Let's go for learning Japanese for the first time and simply click on continue. Now we need to complete the first chapter here. So now once you complete the first chapter, we can simply tap on this top left corner and we can see two languages here. Now click on your profile icon on the bottom. Now click on this settings icon and scroll down and click on manage courses, and we can see two languages here, and you can simply remove the language you want to delete. Simply tap on this and click on remove, and it's done. So this is all we can do to remove or delete a language in Duolingo. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.